Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on CKB. Recently, the price of CKB is dropped at the support of a big falling wedge pattern. By the way, this is a very long-term resistance line, this downtrend, and that has been previously breaking either resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. And now, after the breakout, it is flipped into a support that now it is working as a support for this falling wedge pattern. Here we have the downtrend and resistance, got rejection here, here, and here. And here we have the support, and now the price is now once again geared up after testing this downtrend and support. Along with that, price of CKB has also tested this very long-term uptrend and support as well. That was in fact the support of a previous up channel. You can see that for several weeks or months, it has been moving above this support here. And now again, it is breaking as a nice support. At the same time, the price line is also bounced very well from this long-term support of 0.00535 as well. And this quarter point 0.00535 has been previously working as a resistance here, and now it is working as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. By the way, I have been showing you this channel even before the breakout, and I was telling you that after the breakout, the target will be here at the top of the channel, somewhere between 3.5 cents to 4 cents. And you can see that after hitting that target, price and was dropped down. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for XRP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on the 18th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of CKB. And here on this 7 day time frame chart, you can see that it is moving inside in another falling wedge pattern. And now recently, after several more rejections, the price is once again dropped down as a support. At the same time, it is also bounced from this very long-term up trend line support and from this down trend line support as well. That was previously breaking at a resistance here, and for a few weeks it had been breaking at a resistance here as well. Now after the breakout, it is flipped into a very nice support, and now the pricing is once again bounced very well. This time, if the pricing hits the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here approximately at 1.3 cents, and slightly higher than this resistance, we will have another very long-term resistance of 1.35 cents as well. That was recently breaking other resistance here. Before that was breaking other resistance here and support here and resistance here and support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very big hurdle for the price line of CKB. But in case of breaking out, we can expect another very, very massive pump. You can see that after the breakout from this previous channel, we had a very, very massive rally and the price line reached the target for the breakout from this channel. But here we had a very long-term resistance zone from 3.5 cents to 4.5 cents. That had been previously working as a resistance zone here, and again worked as a very strong resistance zone here as well. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this wedge, that is again here at this resistance zone because the top of this wedge is again here at 3.5 cents. Therefore, if the price and breaks out this wedge, then we can soon see that the price and may make another attempt to break out this very, very powerful resistance zone from 3.5 cents to 4.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.